Hello, children. Welcome to our English online class. Today, I'm back with an interesting session, which is Class 10, Unit 7, Nation and Diversity, Major Discourse, Play Script. Okay, children. So, the play script is a major discourse which fetches us 10 marks. So, let us learn how to write a play script. Okay? A play script is a piece of writing written for the stage. A play script will include a list of characters at the very beginning. It may be divided into acts which are then divided into scenes. So children, first you have to decide the characters, okay? And then you should divide into acts which are again divided into scenes, like scene 1, scene 2, like that. Each scene will have a description of the setting at the start and then the characters dialogue. So before each scene you have to describe about the setting, means where the act is going on, okay, and then the character's dialogue should be written. Dialogue is set out with the character's name on the left, then a colon, then the dialogue. So character names, then a semicolon, sorry, colon, and then the dialogue is written. Okay. Stage directions for the actors are written every now and again in italics and brackets. Okay, writing a play script. When writing a play script, your script should include the settings, dialogue, and actions that take place throughout your play. Because in the examination, they'll be giving a question mark. So by seeing the question, you should understand what the story is. Okay, then then you could make how many characters, many times characters, how many characters are there, it will be given in the question itself, but you can add some more to make it more impressive so that you can get 10 out of 10. It's an easy way, ma. You need not panic, because play script, if you follow the whole format, you'll definitely get 10 marks. Okay, children. So this type of script outlines who says or does what, when, and how, as well as describes the setting of the stage, like backdrops, lighting, and props. It is specifically for live visual stories on the stage, including dramas, comedies, and musicals. This is for the settings to be which is to be conducted on the stage. But now we have to be specifically precise about how to write a play script in the examination point of view. Okay, children. Follow these formatting rules when writing a play script. Center act and scene headings. Center and capitalize your characters' names before each line of dialogue. So before scene 1 you have to do, and what are the settings, then you write the characters' names, colon, and the dialogue. Capitalize your characters' names in action lines. Capitalize the character names. Indent and italicize stage directions. You should italicize the stage directions.
Before you get started, it's important to understand the proper formatting of a play and what story elements you need to include. Follow these steps to write a play script. Make an outline. So, before starting, you should make an outline. You should understand the question and make an outline. Okay. Before writing the entire play, create a general outline of your play. Include the following in your outline. What are those? Acts, scenes, when characters appear, stage directions, movements, and settings. Dialogues relevant to the context with emotions and feelings. Because children, dialogues are very important in a play. Dramatic conflict, beginning, rising actions, and ending. Climax. In the end, show the resolution to the conflict. So, in the play script, you have to show the resolution for a conflict. Create a plot. The plot of your play is the events that take place and lead the entire story. So you have to create the plot, ma. So what are the events that are taking place and lead the entire story? Okay. Now characters. Decide who the main character of your play is. Also add supporting characters, because it's very important, ma. The dialogues, the characters are very important for a play. Settings. Where is your play taking place? How does this add to the story? So you have to be specific about where is the play, what is the setting of the play, and time. When is your play taking place? You need to figure out a way to convey this to the audience through narration, costume, or dialogues. But in the exam, you need to mention the time. Okay, either it may be by the dialogues or costume. Story. The story of your play focuses on the characters' reactions and emotions surrounding events of the plot. So, the characters' reactions and emotions in the story are very important. Twist. Your play should consist of a twist. A twist is must to fetch more marks. Resolution. During the resolution, your characters may overcome their conflict. So, in this resolution, you have to show how the characters have overcome their conflicts, how they have solved their problems. Okay, in the end, you have to show a solution to the problem in the play. The end should also include a moral or lesson. In the play, if a moral or lesson is there, it will be more impressive. Okay, children, now let's do the play script from my childhood. Let's write the play script for the episode of ill treatment meted out to Kalam in paragraph 6 and 7. Children, you know, in my childhood lesson, the ill treatment by the new teacher to Kalam. So, on that situation, we'll develop a play script. So, what are the characters? New teacher, Kalam, Jainul Abdin, Kalam's father, Ramanatha Shastri, Lakshmana Shastri, Ramanatha Shastri's father, and some students. These are the characters. Now, scene 1. It's an old classroom, class 5, with children sitting in rows on the benches. A new teacher starting his first class. Kalam, wearing a cap, marked him as a Muslim, and Ramanatha Shastri, wearing the sacred thread, sitting in the first row. Children, you know, Muslim boys, Muslim men wear some type of netted cloth caps like that. That by seeing that, we can easily recognize that those are Muslim boys. And Brahmins wear a sacred thread. Most other caste also wear, but Brahmins compulsorily wear it. So that differentiates that Kalam is a Muslim boy and Ramanatha Shastri is a Brahmin boy. Now teacher, keeping a disgusted face, seeing Kalam, a Muslim boy, sitting beside a Brahmin boy. Hey you, Muslim boy, why are you sitting beside the Hindu boy? Come on, go and sit in the last bench. So the teacher angrily asked Kalam to go and sit in the back bench, because he could not digest a Muslim boy sitting with a Hindu boy. Kalam, quietly depressed, he obeys the teacher. So Kalam, because he's a teacher, he can't stand, he was a kid moreover. So quietly Kalam sadly went and sat on the back bench. Ramanatha Shastri looks utterly downcast as his close friend shifted to the last bench, his eyes full of tears. So both of the children didn't talk, but they both were depressed and very sad, because they were best friends, and the teacher asked Kalam to go and sit in the back bench. This lasted a very sad impression on Kalam. Scene 2. Kalam's ancestral house. He went home. Jainul Abdin is saying, Kalam, my son, why are you so gloomy today? So parents easily recognize, and also teachers also. So here his father asks, Kalam, why are you gloomy today? Kalam, father, a new teacher came to our class today. He shifted my place to the last row. That's why I am so sad today. I miss Ramanatha Shastri badly. Ramanatha Shastri also wept for changing my place. So Kalam is complaining what happened to him, what was the ill treatment gone through by him by the teacher. So Jainalabdin nodding his head by thinking, he said, why child, why did he change your place? Because he didn't know the reason. So he asked, what was the reason? Kalam, he could not digest me, a Muslim boy, sitting beside a Hindu. So Kalam told the reason. Jainulabdin furiously, he got angry. What he says? It's very unfair. Is the teacher in his senses? I'll look into this matter tomorrow. Now cheer up, my boy. So he assured that he would go to the school and solve his problem. Yeah, now scene 3. It's a classroom again. Lakshmana Shastri angrily, he came to the school along with, because his son also complained him about the teacher's ill treatment towards Kalam, and he also told how bad he and his friend felt. So Lakshmana Shastri comes to the school the next day and now angrily says, are you the new teacher? How could you spread the social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children? In Rameshwaram, we all live together without any religious differences. So, just apologize or quit the school and the island. So, Lakshmana Shastri angrily says, how could you do such mean treatment to the boys? Why are you why are you spreading the social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children? So what we teach the children, they grow up with that only. So we should be very careful while growing up the children. So now he bluntly says, just apologize or quit the school and the island. Now the teacher felt ashamed for his behavior. In a meek tone, I am so sorry, sir, for being so mean towards the little kids. I also apologize for my behavior. I would never repeat this. Kalam and Shastri sit together. Kalam and Shastri hug each other, elated. So the teacher got reformed by the words of Lakshmana Shastri. Lakshmana Shastri, okay teacher, from now onwards try to inculcate good manners among the children. So he also summons that from now onwards try to inculcate good manners. So the moral of this play is to avoid religious intolerance. Okay children, hope you understood the play, and also wish you all the best to get 10 out of 10 in this type of play scripts. Thank you children. Hope you had an interesting session.